Okay, next we want to do the arrival. So click the arrival. Then you have two choices. You want to do it manually or you want to use this tool. If manually, you have to click to entity and choose the product. So where you want to put at your location, quantity, first time, occurrences, and frequency, logic, and disable. So if you want to use this tool, you have to click to product and then click add incoming palette because it's come from incoming palette. Okay, so the product entity is the product, the location is incoming palette, the quantity I will change to 5, first time and occurrences infinite, frequency I will change to 2 hours.